Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Una. If it's your first time here, a highly welcome. You're absolutely welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix your fake or false lashes, so stay tuned. Before we start, I'm going to be showing you the things I'll be using for this video, and the first thing is lashes. So I'll be using red cherry lashes in the number 160. Another thing is lash glue. I'll be using classic super hold lash glue. I'll also be using tweezers. This is optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to bother, okay? And a pair of scissors. Eyeliner. My eyeliner is from Danier. Mascara from Classic. Water and a mirror. So the first thing you want to do is to take off your lashes from one end of the lashes. Don't take it from the middle, okay? You'll notice your lash band is popping out of each end, so you want to use your scissors to cut them off. If you do not have a scissors, you can just keep the lashes on a flat surface and use a blade to cut them off. Next thing is to hold both ends of your lashes and make your lashes flexible, just like so. You can hold it like this, you can hold it the other way around, like so. Just make it flexible so it can fit in your eyes perfectly. Eyeliner helps to cover mistakes. So right now you want to line your eyes with your eyeliner. If you like, you can draw a wing eyeliner. If you like, you can just go without a wing, okay? Mascara helps to blend in your natural lashes and your fake lashes together. Measure your fake lashes with the size of your eyes. Leave a little space at the inner corner of your eye. So if you notice the lashes is longer than the size of your eye, you just want to cut off the outer corner of your fake lashes. Cut off the outer corner, not the inner corner, the outer corner. You want to cut it off just a little, depending on your eye size. Apply some lash glue onto the band of your lashes, on both edges of your lashes. And you also want to apply some glue on the band at the back of the lashes. Not too much, just a little. After applying the lash glue, allow it to dry for a couple of seconds, then hold in the middle. Don't hold it straight like this. Hold it this way. Yes, facing your eyes. And then you want to look down into your mirror. Place the lashes in the middle of your eyes and then use your fingers to hold and push into your eyes gently. So I'm just using my thumb and my index finger to fix for this eye, and I'll be using my tweezer to fix the lashes for the other eye. Another way you can fix your lashes is to apply some glue on your upper lash line, very close to your natural lashes. If you have sensitive eyes, do not use hair bonding glue for this step. Hold your lashes in the middle using your tweezers, then hold it facing your eyes and look down into your mirror. Place the lashes in the middle of your eye. Adjust other parts to make sure it is sitting perfectly by holding and pushing the lashes towards your eye. After that is done, allow your lashes to dry for a couple of minutes and then go ahead and spray your fingers with some water, or dip your fingers into a bowl of water and use your thumb and index finger to press your natural lashes and your fake lashes together. This method is going to ease your eyes from any irritation from the lash glue and also close up any space in between your natural lashes and your fake lashes. You can just go ahead and push up your lashes with your fingers gently, and from now henceforth I want to see you wearing your lashes more often because practice makes perfect. If you learned a thing or two from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Share with family and friends who you think this video may be helpful to, okay? And if you're yet to subscribe, please do so right now. And hit the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.